When was the last time you had a real conversation? Without checking your phone even once. Not a text, not a voice note, not a reaction emoji. A real human, eye-to-eye conversation. In the next few minutes, I will show you 5 practical, science-backed ways to rebuild genuine human connection. Stay with me, because this might quietly change your health more than any diet or workout ever could. Welcome back to Daily Fitspark, where we focus on practical health, sustainable habits, and real-world lifestyle transformation. Today, we are not talking about calories, not about gym routines, not about supplements. We're talking about something just as powerful for your health: human connection. Because research consistently shows that chronic loneliness increases the risk of heart disease, depression, weakened immunity, and even early mortality. In fact, long-term isolation can impact your health as much as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Let that sink in. We live in the most digitally connected era in history, yet we feel more disconnected than ever. So let's fix that. Practically, if you are a remote worker, a busy professional, a student living away from family, a parent overwhelmed with responsibilities, or someone who scrolls more than they socialize, this video is specifically for you. Isolation today is subtle. You may not be physically alone, but emotional isolation, that's the silent epidemic. When you lack meaningful interaction, cortisol, stress hormone, rises, sleep quality decreases, motivation drops, anxiety increases. Your body interprets loneliness as a survival threat, because biologically, humans were never meant to function alone. Now let's move into the actionable part. These are not abstract ideas. These are micro challenges you can start today. Challenge 1, the 10-minute presence rule. For the next 7 days, have one conversation daily where you keep your phone away, maintain eye contact, listen without interrupting, ask one follow-up question. That's it. Just 10 minutes of uninterrupted presence. You'll be surprised how powerful focused attention feels, both for you and the other person. Challenge 2, replace one scroll with one call. Every time you feel the urge to scroll aimlessly, pause. Instead, call one person, not text, call. Even if it's short, voice tone carries emotional connection in ways text never can. Try this for 1 week. Track how your mood changes. Challenge 3, the weekly micro-gathering. You don't need big parties. Start small. Once a week, invite 2 to 3 people for tea, a short walk, a workout session, a study session, a prayer or meditation circle. Keep it simple. Connection thrives in small circles. Challenge 4, join one offline community. Pick one: local gym group, book club, yoga class, volunteer organization, sports club, hobby workshop. Consistency builds familiarity. Familiarity builds comfort. Comfort builds connection. Commit for at least 30 days. Challenge 5, the honest check-in. This is powerful. When someone asks, "How are you?" don't always say, "I'm fine." Once a week, try responding honestly. "I've been a bit stressed lately. I've been feeling overwhelmed." Vulnerability creates depth. Depth creates trust. Trust creates real connection. Let me tell you something personal. There was a time in my life when I was surrounded by people, yet felt invisible. It wasn't until I started being intentional, calling friends, hosting small dinners, joining a fitness group, that things changed. Nothing dramatic, just small steps. But over months, my mental clarity improved, my sleep improved, my energy improved, because connection is not a luxury, it is medicine. Here's what I want you to remember. You are not weak for needing people. You are wired for it. Connection is not distraction. It is protection. Start small. Start today. Even one genuine conversation can shift your entire week. Your health journey is not only about what you eat, it's about who you share your life with. In the coming days on Daily Fitspark, we are diving into something equally important: mental health crisis self-reporting, recognizing when behaviors require prompt assistance. We'll discuss how to identify warning signs early, in yourself or someone close to you, and when to seek professional help before things escalate. You don't want to miss that, because awareness saves lives.